With all the hot weather we're getting, it's time to get these pepper plants planted in the garden. Hi, my name is Nicole with morningchores.com. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to teach you step by step how to plant your very own pepper plants. Bell peppers are another one of those really popular plants to put in the garden, and they're popular for lots of reasons. If you missed our pepper spotlight video, I will link that in the description box below because we go into in-depth detail about the plant itself, nutritional benefits, so on and so forth. Just to give you a reminder though, bell peppers are high in vitamin A, C, fiber, folic acid, and potassium. So this is lots of great reasons to plant these in your garden. They're also very easy to grow and maintain in the garden, and they add a splash of color to the garden as well because they come in an array of colors. Today I'm planting California Wonders, which start off as a green pepper and eventually transition to red. And then I'm also planting Chocolate Beauties. Chocolate Beauties are a deep purple brownish pepper that I have actually not tried. This is my first time, so I'll be excited to see how they turn out. Other peppers I'll be planting later next week will be jalapenos, as well as Hungarian peppers or banana peppers. My husband likes some of those hot peppers, so I'm going to put those in the garden as well. But today we're going to focus on the bell pepper. When choosing a location for your peppers, you have a couple of things to think about. First off, they need full sun, so you don't want to plant them where they'll be shaded by taller plants. You also want to choose a spot where they get really good drainage. The first step in prepping your space is removing any unwanted weeds. We don't want weeds competing with our pepper plants, and we have gotten so much rain in the past couple weeks that weeding has been quite the job. If you've been watching our channel for a while now, you know that we advocate the Back to Eden garden method. So the next step is removing the covering. As you can see, I have wood chips, so you just want to rake these back to expose the soil. It's recommended that you space your pepper plants 18 to 24 inches apart and 24 to 36 inches apart in their rows. I tend to put mine a little bit closer together because it helps reduce the weeding. Now all of these little leaves down here, you want to go ahead and just pinch them off. That way the plant can spend more of its energy growing a stronger root system and putting more energy into the rest of the plant, which will produce better quality peppers. Make sure that you make your hole deep enough so that when you plant the pepper plant, the soil comes up just shy of the first set of leaves. Once you have the soil in place, then go ahead and cover the soil with your covering, which in this case is the wood chips. Once you have your pepper plants planted, it's pretty much just a sit back and wait kind of a game. You want to make sure they get plenty of water and of course sunshine, and eventually those pepper plants will develop peppers. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to follow us at morningchores.com, where you can find all kinds of information on homesteading, gardening, DIY, and much, much more. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.